Today we're going to talk about how to create an iOS application using PhoneGap. First, we need to go to the PhoneGap.com website, click on the Download PhoneGap button, go ahead and extract the contents and go to the Downloads directory, and after that go ahead and do Command-C as a shortcut command, and then Command-V, and paste that folder on your desktop. Then we need to open up the terminal window. So you already had the PhoneGap folder there. Go ahead and open up the terminal window, and we need to run the following command. This is for Android. It's touch tilde /.bash _profile semicolon open tilde .bash _profile. What it'll do is open up your default text editor, and you will need to add the path to your Android SDK platform directory. So in this example, we will use the export path equals, and then go ahead and we need to write the following. So in this example, we'll use /development /Android SDK Mac OS X as the directory of the SDK is installed in. So we're using export capital PATH equals $ open bracket PATH close bracket colon /, and then our path, we'll go ahead and add that in there. So what you want to do is actually save that in this .bash _profile file. So once we have that, we want to go ahead and save it, quit the text editor, and execute your bash _profile to update your path. Go ahead and so we're going to go ahead and X out of this, and here we're going to type so we're going to go ahead and type the echo out the path, and there we have it. So that way we can work with the Android applications as well, utilizing the terminal here. So your path will include the Android SDK, and make sure we have the path so that Android platform tools are available. Otherwise, we won't be able to make Android applications with the terminal. Okay, so go ahead and click CD for this command here. Drop your PhoneGap folder in there, and there we have the path to where it's at. And once we have that path, we want to go do the ls list command. Okay, so there we have what we have there. Okay, license, readme, version, changelog, doc, and library folder. Let's go ahead and change that directory. We want to go inside the library folder. And then we want to go ahead and do the list command again, and there we go. Here we have the Android, BlackBerry, Cordova, iOS, OS X, Windows Phone 7, Windows Phone 8, Windows 8 here. We have these directories there. Let's go ahead and go into the iOS. Okay. So once we're inside there, we want to go into the bin folder. Okay. And once we're inside the binaries, okay, we'll go ahead and do ls, the list command again. and then go ahead and go to the we'll see the create application right here. Let's go ahead and what we want to do here, we want to type the path where we want the actual application. So the package in which we want to create our application. Usually we'll do the backwards URL here. Let's go ahead and do ./ create / users, where our path was earlier. That on the desktop. PG iOS, iOS example. Do the backwards URL here. And I'm going to go ahead and create our folder here. So we're you want to type the path where you want your actual application here, and the package in which we want to create our application. So usually we'll do the backwards URL and create a folder structure. So your application will run under this particular package name inside the device itself. So you want to make sure it represents your company, a view, you're distributing through the store. So the final argument in the name of our application, we want to name it PhoneGap iOS example, and this particular example here. So it's going to create that application, and we see the let's go ahead and open it up here, and we see the typical Cordova libraries, and inside the PhoneGap iOS example, we see the Xcode files, the Objective-C files. And then we had the www folder, and then click on that. So, had the CSS, HTML, and the JavaScript there. Let's go ahead and click on the project file and work within the actual application using the integrated development environment Xcode. So while we're waiting for that to load, here we have all our folders here. Our CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, and the www. Our classes, plugins, frameworks, products. So, we're here inside the application. So, and so while that's processing, I'm going to go ahead and begin to simulate this. So the simulator is loading. Let's go ahead and X out of that. So we know we're in the application because we see the folders and the directories here. So it's getting ready for it to run. So we're going to go ahead and, like we did, we clicked on the simulator, and you can use the structure here, to build your application, but you don't have to, looking here at the folders. So the simulator here is loading, and we know we have created our application because the device is ready. So now we can make modifications to our HTML, JavaScript, and CSS to create our own PhoneGap application. Okay, thank you. This concludes our tutorial.